20 years ago. Yeah. We gave every panel its own brain, the first power optimizer. Every panel to its full potential, more yield in every roof you install. Then we reinvented the inverter, less weight, faster installs. Less magnetic, 60% lighter, generation after generation, residential, commercial. Your site's safer by design, cybersecurity end to end, cybersecurity end to end. We added storage and EV charging, complete ecosystems for every customer. Complete ecosystem. Then the market evolved, dynamic tariffs, negative rates. That was quite a change. So we gave the whole system a brain. We gave it a brain. It learns, it decides, it acts. More savings every hour, automatically more savings. SolarEdge Nexus, one system, no compromises. No compromises. Forbes future of home energy. Click from just one to multiple power ratings per unit. Minimal part number, maximal simplicity. Automated US manufacturing at scale. A new commercial inverter every 2.5 minutes. A new residential inverter every 1 minute. A new power optimizer every 4.5 seconds. Design every roof. Commission in minutes, just minutes. Monitor every site, optimize every asset. AI for you on the roof and for your customers' home. 63 gigawatt installed, 445 million systems monitored, warranting 7 million. Optimizer shipped, 604 patents and counting. Top 100 most sustainable companies on over 60% of Fortune 100 rooftops. For your customers, for your business, 20 years of innovation, ready for what's next.